Good morning, dear students. I will start chapter 9, Reproduction in Animals. Reproduction in animals. Yesterday I told you what is the fertilization process. During the fertilization process, the fusion of egg with the sperm is called the fertilization. Fusion of egg with the sperm is called fertilization. And you know that fertilization is internal. It is inside the female's body. And now development of embryo. Development of embryo. Development of embryo. You know that zygote formed after fertilization begins to develop into new embryo. First zygote is formed, then zygote formed after fertilization, and it begins to develop into an embryo, and it starts dividing rapidly to produce a ball of cells as shown in figure 9.9. In figure 9.9 you can see that development of embryo, first fertilization process takes place, then formation of zygote takes place, and then cells divide, and the developing structure is called the embryo, and then developing structure is called the embryo, and the embryo attached itself to the wall of the uterus, and after fertilization process zygote is formed, then embryo is formed, and then embryo attached with the wall of itself to the wall of uterus, and for further development here it develops over the next 9 months, and the developing embryo gradually differentiates into different body parts such as hands, legs, heads and other, and thus when in the embryo different body parts can be identified, it is called the fetus, and at the time of birth the fetus weighs about 3 kg. First, you know that fertilization takes place. Fertilization takes place inside the female's body, and then formation of zygote takes place, and after formation of zygote embryo is formed, and then after when embryo is formed, it attached to the wall of the worms or uterus itself, it attached itself to the wall of the uterus, and here development of embryos takes place, and then all the organs are differentiated, and at the time of birth the fetus weighs about 3 kg. You can see in the diagram 9.10 zygote formation and development of an embryo from the zygote, and then now come to the in vitro fertilization and test tube babies. In vitro fertilization refers to the fusion of eggs with the sperm inside test tube. What is the in vitro fertilization? In vitro fertilization, fusion of eggs and sperm inside the test tube and outside the female's body, means inside the test tube but outside the female's body. This is called the in vitro fertilization. Fertilization takes place outside from the female body, and it is happens in the test tube, that is the female's eggs and male's sperm. The kind of fertilization is undertaken in cases where oviducts of women are blocked, and therefore these women cannot bear babies. This happens in vitro fertilization in that case if any woman cannot bear the child, and in some cases fallopian tubes are blocked, they cannot bear the child. So in that case in vitro fertilization takes place. After fertilization they insect the embryo to the inside the female's body. And then sperms cannot reach the eggs for fertilization, and in such cases the freshly released ovum and sperm are taken and kept together for a few hours. In vitro fertilization takes place, and in a test tube in vitro fertilization takes place in a test tube. In case fertilization occurs, the zygote is allowed to develop for about a week and then introduced inside the uterus of the mother. Further development takes place in the uterus like any other baby, and babies born through the technique of in vitro fertilization are called the test tube babies, and those babies are born through this techniques in vitro fertilization, they are called the test tube babies. The term is actually misleading. Babies are not grown inside test tube. Test tube means the babies are not grown inside the test tube. Only fertilization and what is the initial stage of development, it's only takes place outside, and others process takes place inside the female's body. So this is all about in vitro fertilization and test tube babies. What is the in vitro fertilization? In vitro fertilization, it refers to the fusion of eggs and sperms inside the test tube and outside the female's body. Young ones to adult. Let us look at, it shows the life cycle of a butterfly diagram, and a silkworm also follows the same life cycle, and in both the larva and the pupa look very different from the adult. What happens in case of a frog? In case of a frog, there are three distinct stages starting from the egg, tadpole, that is the larva, and adult. As in case of butterfly and silkworm, even in a frog, the tadpoles look very different from the adults. How these drastic changes takes place? The process of transformation of larva or tadpole into an adult through drastic changes is called the metamorphosis. What is the metamorphosis process? The process of transformation of larva, the process of transformation of larva or tadpole into an adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. Asexual reproduction. What is the asexual reproduction? There are several methods of asexual reproduction in animals like binary fission, budding, fragmentation, regeneration. Let us study two of these methods, binary fission and budding, which takes place in very small animals like amoeba and hydra. Binary fission in amoeba. Binary fission in amoeba. This method of asexual reproduction is very common in unicellular microscopic organisms like amoeba and paramecium. Binary fission takes place in amoeba and paramecium. Let us study this method in amoeba. The organism starts the process by the division of the nucleus into two nuclei. This is followed by division of its body into two, each part with the nucleus, and finally two daughters amoebae are produced from one parent amoeba. The daughter amoebae then grow into full size. First, the organism starts the process by the division of the nuclei into two nuclei, and this is followed by the division of its body into two. Body is divided into, this is the body, and it divided into two parts, and then it grows into the adults. And this type of asexual reproduction in which an individual reproduces by dividing into two individuals is called the binary fission. And budding in hydra. Budding amongst animals is commonly seen in hydra. In this animal, one or more small bulb-like outgrowths or bulges are formed on the body, and these are called the buds and are responsible for giving rise to the new individuals. And the nucleus of the parent hydra divides into two, then one of the two nuclei passes into the bud, and the bud detaches itself from the parent body. It grows to full size and becomes a new individual. The method of asexual reproduction in which individuals develops from the buds is called budding. The method of asexual reproduction in which individuals develops from the buds is called the budding. Oral questions are given on page number 104 and identify the given stage of human development. What is in vitro fertilization and name an animal which divides by budding. What is the term given to the baby born to the technique of in vitro fertilization. And this is the chapter 9, reproduction in animals, and reproduction in animals completed, and you will take revision.